Does microcement look like concrete? Absolutely, but it doesn't have to. Peace. Peace. Pow. Mad liberator, death operator, rock the data, amazing flavor, yo. Concrete, it's one of the look you can have with a microcement, but it's not all about microcement. Microcement, it's modern, it's luxurious, it's seamless, it has depth, it has texture, and it has infinity color option when you're working with a Craftex Microcement. So having the concrete look, it's just one of the features, one of the 100 different features. So if you as a designer, if you as a homeowner, as a builder, avoiding to work with a microcement because you believe that is just look like the concrete, you are missing the very, very deep and an amazing opportunity, to be honest. So what else? You know, concrete, it's heavy. Concrete is pouring system. It would add a weight on the structure. If you want to have a concrete wall, it's gonna be very hard. It's pouring system. Especially if you want to have that as a finished look. If you want to have a concrete floor, the only options for you, mostly in the residential project, it would be on the ground level, but not with the microcement. Because microcement is maximum 1 to 3 millimeter thickness. It's super light, but with just 1 to 3 millimeter thickness, it's super durable. Remember, it's not just a one layer thing. It's a several layer. It's primer, it's fiberglass mesh, it has some base coat, it has a finish coat, and it has a different sealers depending on the areas you want to use that. So it's a layers, it's a system, and altogether it's just 1 to 3 millimeter thick. So that means you can have concrete look or look like the polished concrete floor even in the second floor, wherever you want. So it's a hand-troweled system. It's not pouring system. Again, it can have any color you want. Infinity color option, several different textures. So it's gonna be very hard to compare concrete and microcement together because structural wise, it won't add any weight to the structure. Architectural wise, it's absolutely gorgeous. Lots of different textures, infinity color option, and it's super functional. Can go everywhere, from indoor to outdoor, from floor to ceiling. You want to have your own custom lighting? Yeah, build it with whatever you want. Let's say you want to have, as a custom home builder, you're looking to have a giant sconce light your facade. Boom. How you want to have it. Simple. Just build it with any material you think it would work outside, like James Hardy board. Bring the low voltage wire behind or any other lighting you want, and then coat it with a microcement. You looking to have, as a designer or architect, you're looking to have a specific custom, I don't know, let's say dining table. Build it with MDF, with any material is stable, then coat it with a microcement. Seal it with a sealer. Ready. Indoor, outdoor, wherever you want. Functional. So microcement can go from floor to ceiling, as I mentioned, and go all the way to the outside. That means you can have same flooring in main floor over the ground, can go on the stairs, can go all the way to the second floor, can go to the basement. Same floor can go outside to the patio, can be around the pool, can be soaked inside the pool. Same floor can go over the outdoor kitchen, can go on the facade. Color, whatever color you want. Texture, several different texture. And remember, this is not the only options we have for you at Craftex. We have even more collection of the product with a microcement technology, but different look. One of them, it's a liquid metal. So we will talk about that in different video. Make sure to check out our website. You will see lots of projects we already did entire the world, and now this amazing product is available in the US market. Lots of designers, builders, homeowners, they are taking advantage of this amazing product. So make sure you won't miss that, please. Here is Craftex. We always talk about microcement, and then if you have any question or any consideration about microcement, feel free to reach out to us. Simple. We love to answer your questions.